I'm new to this logging industry. Not industry, but I'm pretty surprised at how nice the wood looks on the inside, the grains. That would be some good 2x4s. But I'm cutting this right now because I was gonna build a small kids log cabin as almost as a tryout for me to start learning how to work with logs. So that's what I cut that for. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. So this is what I got so far. 3 logs. I'm almost giving up already. I'm not even doing the hard one, the notch one. So imagine that. I didn't know this existed, thanks to my friend Jim, who gave it to me. Thanks Jim, if you're watching. It's really coming in handy. Alright, I think I used up all my wasting time quota for the day, so let me get back to serious business now. Alright, down to my last load. Pretty much gone. I might come back with the blower, leaf blower. Try to get these little pieces out of here. I just gotta take care of some garbage and start clearing. I want to make this area nice here since we're gonna be here a while. Make it a nice spot for us to enjoy. It's a cloudy day here, and as you can hear, I'm running the generator. Hi baby, how's my baby? Okay. A couple years ago in my country home, I started doing a little bit of gardening, and I was trying to do a compost. So I learned about the hot compost. Well, this is not a hot compost the way it's supposed to be done, because I'm supposed to have more green stuff and so on and so forth. But Last night it rained a lot, so I was able to get it pretty much all wet, and now I'm covering it up with the plastic. I still need more plastic over here just to trap that heat inside and helps it decompose faster. So in a couple years I probably have lots of good composting here. So for my next project, I'm gonna start making a road going that way, at least a little trail so I can get the tractor through, so I can go explore that area a bit further. But before I start the clearing, there's some maintenance that I have to do. I bought this chainsaw bar because I needed to replace this one over here. I thought all 16 were the same, but no, apparently not. So I need to find the right one for this chainsaw. This chainsaw was gifted to me by a friend, Arnie, so I'm very grateful to have this. I'm not sure that this chain won't work for it. No. Maybe it'll work on the other chainsaw. I didn't grow up with chainsaws or anything like that. I only started using a chainsaw probably like a couple years ago. But it's not that complicated. But I still have a lot to learn. Was definitely faster than my electric one, but I do need to sharpen. Actually, both chains need sharpening, so yeah, I think this one's the winner. Let's see if this chain would work on this chainsaw. I'll put the new chain and then I'll sharpen both of them at the same time. Okay. Go do another test with the new chain. Right, take two. Yeah, it's a clear winner, guys, and this chain is not even sharp, so you need ear protection for this one, but gets the job done quicker. But the reason why I like to have the battery one. Well, first time I bought it actually was because I couldn't get the first chainsaw that I bought was gas. I couldn't get it started. I don't know, I messed up the fuel mixture or the choke. I didn't know how to use it properly, so I ended up just giving it back, returning it, and got a battery powered instead. But now looking back, it was actually a good decision, just because in an emergency situation where there's no gas available, I have the solar here, so I can always charge the battery and I can cut firewood to heat my home. But if I don't have that option, it's also good to have a handsaw available. So actually, I should get a handsaw as well. So in the prepping world, they say 1 is none and 2 is 1. So it's good to be prepared in case of an emergency. So that's why I'm glad I have the battery one and also the gas one. So my tractor is overdue for some maintenance as well. No potty there, Max. No. No potty there. Okay, you ready to go inside? Now, before you judge me for putting all the grease over here, I used to use paper towels to wipe it, but it's too expensive right now, so maybe I'll just use one paper towel at the end to clean this off instead of a bunch like I used to before. Make sure you leave a like down on the video. Had to put grease on my phone to get this footage for you guys, so please leave me a like. It's getting late already. Well, I think I'm gonna start the clearing tomorrow. At least everything's ready. The chainsaws are ready. The tractor maintenance is done. So I can start fresh tomorrow. Okay, see you guys in the morning. Oh, it's very hard to level a road when there's too many big rocks. Big rocks definitely get on the way. I'm gonna need these rocks in the future to fill up holes. time to refuel. One thing that surprised me about this tractor is how little diesel it actually uses. You can run a lot of hours on one tank. So yeah, one of these, what is this, 5.3 gallons will probably last me for like 20 hours or something, or more. I should time it. So while I'm trying to build my driveway, so what my Husky Malamutes are doing. What's going on here, Max? Huh? Is this helping me? Is this helping me with the driveway? Huh? Oh! This is not helping, Max. This is not helping. Took me like 3-4 hours to do this little bit over here. I mean, not bad for a guy with no experience. I didn't compact it, but as I drive on it, it's gonna get compacted. So I'm not worried about that because I don't have a compactor. And I don't want to waste money renting one. Just there's a little bit here left. I'm gonna see if I can finish that off. If my dogs allow me to, without digging up more holes. Now you're going inside the hole, Blue? You're going inside the hole. What's the point of that? You better start closing this hole, Max. Go, close the hole. We did it, Max. No thanks to you. I covered up your hole. You happy now? No. Yeah, you guys want to go inside, right? Yeah, we're gonna go. So yeah, in 5 hours I was able to finish. How many feet is this? Probably like 150 feet of driveway. Mind you, it's not very thick. It's just enough to cover the ground. But it looks good. We'll see how it holds up over the time. The only thing I couldn't do is there's a big rock here that's sticking out maybe 4 or 5 inches. I'm gonna try to jackhammer it and break it. But other than that, it looks good. Had to work around this big rock here because I don't want to waste time and money with the equipment to break that, so I'll just go around them. Well, it worked out, but I butchered that notch. Yeah, here the wedge, it's no good. And look at that. There's definitely room for improvement. But I didn't follow my trailer, so that's okay. All right, let the clearing begin. I was gonna use my electric chainsaw, but I know some of you might get triggered, so I better use my gas. So I'm cutting 7 foot for my kids' log cabin. The kids' log cabin, yeah. Miniature size. Still need to buy my draw knife to take out the bark. I don't know if I'm that committed for the kids' log house. Found a nice surprise here on our walk. Some beautiful flowers. They almost look like roses. It's been raining quite a bit. So today my generator did not want to start. So I had to use my backup generator over there. I did this at least twice last year. I have to take out the spark plug, give it a cleaning. If you're using the generator this much, like, you really should follow the user manual's recommendations. Like every certain amount of hours you have to do an oil change and spark plug change. Even this gets clogged up, the exhaust, so it's good to give it a clean. So I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, it's pretty cold right now. The temperature went down to 1 degree in the night. It was like, feels like minus -2 Celsius. So mosquitoes are gone, which is good news. I know it's for a short time, but it's nice to enjoy a net-free experience, at least for a short period of time. Even my dog's happy to see them gone. Blue! Blue, where are you? There you are, baby. There you are. What you doing, my love? What you doing? You're free. You're off leash. That's what happiness looks like. Who's there? He's really happy to be off leash. I was supposed to show you how to clean the spark plugs.
Did you already do it?
I'm doing it. So come. So this is a spark plug boot. Yeah. It goes into the spark plug and sends the shock that ignites the fuel. Yeah. You find the spark plug. So I pulled this off just by pulling. Yeah. Now I get this socket, I turn it left. There's a little rubber inside here that helps to grab onto the spark plug. So this is the spark plug. And now, see this part here gets black? So we just get a wire brush. Be good to change it once in a while. We have to need to buy oil and stuff. Yeah. Maybe I'll get the part number. See here?
F7TC.
F7TC, yeah, or you can just say your generator. In the manual it says what kind of spark plugs work with it.
Why does it need cleaning? What type of cleaning?
When it creates an explosion, what happens when you burn a fire? It creates a layer of
wax.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called exactly. Some carbon buildup. I think it's carbon. Well, this generator didn't want to start. Last time I did this, it worked. So I'm hoping this time it might work as well.
Oh, yeah, looks good. But Daddy, what do people have to know to clean a spark plug? To use a generator when you're using one?
If you're using it a lot, yeah. Because then, are you gonna pay someone to do it for you?
How much does it cost to pay someone?
Well, if you have lots of money and you don't have time to do stuff, then yeah, go ahead, hire someone to take care of your stuff. But if you're homesteading, then you take care of a lot of your own stuff. See that rubber thing here?
Yeah.
That's not supposed to be there. That's part of the socket. We'll put on that the boot.
Can the boot get dirty or no?
It could, but usually it doesn't. It's where the explosion happens that it's dirty. So now, the exhaust here. Oh, a mosquito was here biting me, eh? Yeah. You're back. You're here. Okay. I don't see you, Blue Blue. What you doing? You having fun? Give me the wire brush. Okay. This is where the fumes come out. Can get clogged up too. It's not too bad.
Are you in the compost, Daddy?
Yeah. So why do I need the generator? Well, it's been kind of cloudy and rainy lately, and it's been really cold. And when it's cold, it seems like the moisture problem gets a bit worse inside the RV because I'm still heating with propane. Someone commented that I should use wood, that would help with the moisture. That's definitely something I want to look into for next winter. But I didn't expect the temperatures to drop right now, but I guess it's normal around here. I'm new to the area, so I'm not very familiar with it. But anyways, because I have to run the dehumidifier or the air conditioner to remove the moisture from the air so it doesn't create mold inside, that's why I use up a lot of energy. If I was just running lights and charging my phone, then I wouldn't need the generator really. The solar would be able to handle it. But because the AC or the dehumidifier, it's a bigger load, it ends up not being enough on cloudy days. So that's why it's good to have the generator for those situations. Let's check if the maintenance worked. So this generator works in both propane, natural gas, and fuel, gasoline. So it's good because you can run it off propane. In the future I wanted to run from wood gas. It's another project that I want to get going, but I still have a lot to do before I get to that. Okay. Okay, so propane is working. Now let's check the gas if it's working. So I flip that over to gas. I don't know if I need the choke still, just in case. And yeah, that works. Now I should do the same with the other generator. Now for my solar inverters, when I connect this to the solar, this one is not ideal. It's not strong enough. This one is only 3,300 watts or 36 with gas. My inverter actually recommends like 7,000 watts to connect to the inverter, so it charges the battery and can run the loads. But this is what I have. I might run 2 generators sometime in the future at the same time, but I'll try to save more on energy when there's no sun, so that I don't waste so much money with gas. So just the 1 generator for now. It works. It's not ideal, but it works. My first stump of the year gave me quite a bit of work. Okay, it was a bit, almost 10 minutes here. I thought such a small tree wouldn't be as hard, but the roots were intertwined with the other trees around, so made it extra fun. So yeah, it's not very, it's probably what, like 5-6 inches diameter. Probably like 5. Yeah. Have a lot of work ahead of me.
More on the bottom base than anything else. Don't jump on puddles.
I said no puddles. You don't listen. Think it's funny. Not so funny now, ladies. Look, don't be scared. Just watch. Just watch. Okay? Nothing to be scared of.
Yeah, he's the one who's the worst.
Especially under his neck here, in the front.
You are dirty.
Turn color. Brown.
Yeah, okay, let's do a hose down now. No.
Today's actually a pretty good day to work outside. Mosquitoes are not that bad. There's just a few flies, but I couldn't have asked for better working conditions. I'm just trying to figure out what's the best route. So now that I got a pretty good idea, it's time to start cleaning. The straight pieces here are great for mulching. They go right in. I have a 3-inch mulcher, so this works fine. Anything that does a bend, then it gets stuck in there, so it takes a lot of effort to do those ones. So, but the straight pieces go really well. My helpers, Max and Blue, are grounded. They were bad boys today. I let them off leash and they went and ran inside a puddle, and I had to give them a bath. No, Max? Right, Blue? Were you guys good boys or bad boys? Huh. I've seen this before, but I've never tried it before. But it worked out pretty well. I was able to take down the tree and the stump at the same time by pushing it with the backhoe. So yeah, saves me the time of digging up the stump. It's not a very big tree, so it worked out. So I was able to get some progress here on the trail. that took around 32 minutes to remove this stump. This is a pretty good sized tree. It's pretty tall. It was probably like 50 feet high. Maybe 40. So you can definitely do it with this tractor. It's just gonna take some patience and a big hole. Now I'm gonna try to throw some rocks in there to fill that up and backfill. Alright, so I think I'm pretty much at the end of the road of where I wanted to go. Just recording a video and I got a tornado warning, so I gotta get going. Alright, show you guys what happened after.